Hello all, my name is Jazz. Welcome to my channel. So about a week ago, I actually did a video of me doing these braids, which took forever. I will link that video in the description and somewhere up here if YouTube let me do it. Today, I actually noticed that since it's been about a week since I did the braids, that I can move them around a little bit more without it being too uncomfortable. So what I decided to do is actually do a video on how to style the braids, because I noticed sometimes people don't know how to style their braids, and I think it's usually due to the length that people get. So we're gonna do some styles today. They gonna be kind of simple because I'm not a hairstylist, but I do think this would be some tips for you to get started on maybe making the most of your braids. But it's gonna be a short video because I'm really not that creative. Also, when I did my braids, I put some curls at the end to add a little pizzazz. I am gonna leave some of those curls hanging out through the hairstyle. So if your braids don't have curls in it, then you just don't leave those pieces out. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And once we're done with the video, if you like it, go ahead and give a thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's get into it.